Jerky Camel. He did all these things you have to
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Please like and subscribe my channel. Chrissy Teigen shared her new baby different sleeping style as well as the difficulties she is facing during her motherhood journey. On one Instagram post, she shared, "We always joke that Esti is different from Luna and Miles in the way that you really have to do a few extremely specific things with her to get her to calm down or sleep. She likes an aggressive rock where your back has to hit the couch repeatedly. A butt pat, a sha-sha sound, a bounce between rocks, her body flat against your chest. One arm up and one arm back and some sort of clothing to grab. Those things all together at once are her recipe for sleep. I think it's because I rode a jerky camel uphill for 2